The 2027 Mazda 3 is hiding 7 features, so deliberately engineered that 99% of owners are going to spend years behind the wheel without ever uncovering them. If you're already driving a Mazda 3 hatchback and think you know what this car is truly capable of, these 7 features are going to change that completely. Most people see the Mazda 3 as a sensible, practical compact, but the engineering buried beneath its surface is rivaling technology found in luxury cars costing 3 times the price, and almost nobody behind the wheel knows it's there. Number 7. Biocentric pelvic support. Long drives expose a car's weaknesses fast: back tension, shoulder stiffness, and the fatigue that compounds after 2 hours on a highway. Most compact cars have no real answer. The Mazda 3 hatchback is building one directly into the seat. Mazda's engineers studied the biomechanics of human walking and made a foundational discovery. The body stabilizes the head naturally while the torso is in motion. The seats are designed to hold the pelvis in a neutral, upright position, maintaining the spine's natural S-curve and keeping the driver's head steady through corners, impacts, and long-distance irregularities. A multi-point support system with variable firmness cushioning envelops the body's center of mass. Most people blame road trip stiffness on seat firmness, but the real culprit is the fractional delay between chassis movement and seat response, keeping muscles engaged and unable to release. That lag has been eliminated. The seat and the car are moving as one. A standard cushion tilt adjustment for independent thigh angle control rounds things out, a detail rarely offered at this price point. This seat is managing fatigue before it registers, but Mazda is applying that same precision to a system most owners only discover when they're standing in the cold, unable to reach their wiper blades. Number 6. Aerodynamic wiper design. Most owners notice it within the first few days, but few investigate. The wipers disappear when the car is parked. They're not resting low on the glass, they're sitting entirely beneath the hood's trailing edge. This is a deliberate aerodynamic decision, removing the wiper arms from the airflow to cut drag and wind noise at speed. That creates a practical problem. Blade replacement or snow clearing becomes impossible without knowing the workaround. Mazda has built a service mode directly into the stock logic. With the ignition off, a double tap upward within 30 seconds brings the wipers to a full vertical position for safe servicing. Think of every winter morning wrestling with blades frozen beneath a hood line. This is the answer built into the car from day one. In auto rain sensing mode, the wipers lift slightly into a ready state position when moisture is detected, cutting first sweep travel distance for immediate response in light rain. Once conditions clear, they retreat automatically. Washer nozzles are integrated directly into the wiper arms, directing fluid precisely in the blade's path. No windshield floods, no blind spots. The wiper system proves aerodynamics and daily practicality don't have to conflict. But number 5 shows Mazda dedicating 2 full years of engineering to something most manufacturers treat as a legal formality and nothing more. Number 5. Heartbeat rhythm turn signals. Nearly every turn signal on the road works identically: on, off, on, off. The Mazda 3's signals don't blink, they pulse. The system is called the dimming turn signal, and the gap between blinking and pulsing runs deeper than it first appears. Rather than cutting off sharply, the signal fades through a gradual waveform modeled on human heartbeat data, captured using real ECG recordings. Mazda worked alongside Stanley Electric for 2 full years to bring this to production. Early prototypes were scrapped. Thermal variation and voltage fluctuations were causing inconsistent dimming across conditions. Engineers resolved it by adjusting current modulation in increments of 0.01 seconds until the waveform held stable through every scenario the car encounters daily. Consider sitting at a long red light with a binary LED flashing at the edge of your peripheral vision for 90 seconds straight. Small discomfort, but multiplied across an entire commute, it feeds the low-grade irritability most drivers never trace back to its source. A pulse is perceptually softer and reduces the visual tension that accumulates in heavy traffic without the driver ever registering why. 2 years of development dedicated to a dimming speed. But number 4 shifts that same obsession to something with far higher stakes: the morning you walk outside and your car's gone. Number 4. Advanced keyless security. The Mazda 3's key fob carries a function most owners are going to go years without discovering: RF hibernation mode. 4 presses of the lock button, hold until the LED extinguishes, and the fob stops transmitting entirely. Relay theft is growing because the attack requires almost no technical sophistication. Thieves use a signal amplifier near a home to capture the fob's passive broadcast and replay it at the car. Hibernation mode closes that window completely. No active broadcast means no attack surface. The same feature applies equally to a secondary fob sitting in a drawer, preventing the battery from draining as the key repeatedly pulls the vehicle. Double pressing the lock button within 3 seconds activates double locking, physically preventing the doors from being opened from the inside. The system also integrates with the electronic parking brake, engaging it on inclines automatically. In a significant accident, the logic reverses entirely. All doors unlock and interior hazard lights activate. Security working in both directions based on the car's situation, and the engineering discipline behind this feature is about to appear somewhere nobody would think to look, at the very bottom of the accelerator pedal's travel. Number 3. Integrated mechanical kickdown switch. On 2027 Mazda 3 models carrying the 6-speed Skyactiv Drive automatic, the accelerator pedal conceals something most owners are never going to find by accident. At the very end of its travel sits a physical kickdown switch, a mechanical detent producing a distinct, deliberate click when the pedal is fully depressed. There's a specific frustration that comes with flooring an automatic and watching it pause, weighing options, cycling through gears, while the lane gap you needed is already closing. This switch eliminates that. Pressing through the detent sends a priority command directly to the transmission control module, dropping the car immediately to its lowest available gear. No hesitation, no hunting. The response is happening the moment the click is felt. The driver is always going to know through physical feel alone, not a dashboard indicator, when full engine output has been requested. No ambiguity, no misinterpretation of intent. A mechanical solution persists inside an increasingly software-driven platform, working precisely because of that physicality. But if relocating a kickdown switch sounds like a bold engineering decision, wait until you hear where Mazda moved the bass speakers. Number 2. Bass match technology. The industry default for bass speaker placement is the door cavity, a large, accessible hollow that's acoustically convenient. The Mazda 3 places its primary bass drivers in the cowl at the rigid front corners of the vehicle's frame near the kick panels. The acoustic result is measurable from the first listen. Turn the volume up in a typical compact, and the door panels start participating uninvited. A low buzz, a rattle in the trim, the sound competing with the car's own structure. Door-mounted woofers flex panels under low-frequency pressure, and the cutouts required for installation compromise the door's ability to seal against road and wind noise. By positioning drivers in the rigid structural cowl, Mazda is using the car's own frame to amplify bass response. Cleaner, deeper, without a single interior panel vibrating out of place. With no speaker holes, door panels are functioning as continuous, solid sound barriers, making the cabin measurably quieter than compact class averages suggest. On premium trims, bass match was developed alongside Bose, with AI tuning calibrated to this hatchback's specific cabin geometry. The audio system isn't being installed inside the car, it's integrated into the car's architecture from the start. That structural commitment defines number 1 as well, except the collaborators weren't engineers, they were musicians. Number 1. Polyphonic harmonic turn signal sound. Most drivers stop consciously registering their turn signal click within the first few weeks of ownership. Mazda brought in musicians to make sure that the sound was worth engineering carefully. Regardless, the collaboration involved Mogies, a company specializing in converting physical vibrations into sound, and the musical duo M+A. Contact microphones captured the structural vibrations of the Mazda 3's own body panels, processed and shaped into a polyphonic harmonic click, a tone tuned for psychological comfort over long exposure, not simply for audibility. That sound plays through the vehicle's audio system with precise control over pitch, frequency, and spatial placement in the cabin. Volume is adjustable within MZD Connect settings, a level of customization almost no competitor is offering for something this fundamental. This is part of Mazda's Harmonic Acoustics project, which treats the cabin as a real acoustic environment. Every system tone, chime, and alert is being musically tuned to harmonize rather than clash, reducing the auditory fatigue that builds silently across a full day of driving. 7 features, none of them on a brochure. Seats are engineered around the biomechanics of human walking. Wipers that disappear into the bodywork. Turn signals that pulse like a heartbeat, built over 2 years with ECG data as the blueprint. A key fob that goes completely dark against relay thieves. A physical click at the floor of the accelerator that bypasses every software layer between the driver and the gearbox. Bass speakers were pulled from the doors and bolted into the frame. A blinker sound designed by musicians using the vibrations of the car's own panels. The Mazda 3 has always been easy to underestimate, and that's exactly what Mazda has been counting on. But this isn't the only Mazda loaded with hidden features. Other models, including the CX-5, which you can check out in our next video, are loaded with interesting secrets as well. This isn't just a stylish and engaging crossover. The deeper you dig, the more impressive the driving experience gets.